Tomei cams, BC springs retainers. Make this baby lumpy boy. Got a Tomei 272s and some BC springs and retainers, titanium caps. Sure it's called now. Alright, let's get to it.
Jesus.
Sun them over here.
Nice and clean in there.
You got the reseal. Alright, unboxing a Tomei cam. Alright, let's test them.
Drop test.
No way. Alright. That's fancy.
Right on.
Quit breathing so hard.
Huh?
Quit breathing so hard.
I know. I'm a big boy, I need a lot of air.
You excited?
No.
I am.
Are you?
Yeah, man. I just hope we don't drop anything in the motor.
Might happen. Focus. We're running out of room. Oh no, never mind. No, I fucked up. There's a valve core in the end of this tool. That's why it's not letting air in.
Really?
Yeah, I was about to say it's not. It didn't change anything. You can hear air. Yeah, no. You have a valve core tool?
What?
Huh? What?
Oh, what?
Oh,
Oh, lots of no. What does this thing do?
looks like a run to Princess Auto to me.
No. Why is that in there?
When you compression test, that's why you see it hold up on the gauge.
Oh, yeah, of course.
You mean a Schrader valve? Yeah, Schrader valve tool. That's it.
Why would they make that tool aluminum? So now this is all on me.
Yes.
My hand just cramped up. I just dropped.
Glad it's you with your engine.
There's
a stock valve there.
I'm gonna do this there. The video's POV your cake. They're like, you go for it.
Yeah.
I can't hardly believe this is happening.
Okay. So we have this valve spring compressor tool. We have a compressor going in the cylinder holding the valves up. Callum's holding the crank from spinning over. And so what I basically do is I hook onto the tool here. And I push down on the top of the valve spring. There. Keepers become free. Get a magnet. There is one. And if I can get the damn second one. Second one. Pull it off. There's your one valve spring. Okay, and then put into the new one. Get the new retainer, new spring, with the Brian Cower, it's HBC on the top. Slide that on, just like that. This would work a lot better if you didn't have fat fingers like me. So we're gonna push down the valve till we expose the notch on the valve. Then you just slide the retainer in. Don't drop it. There's that one. All right, you want to come over here so you can pass me the other keeper? Yeah. You want to come over here, Evan?
Yeah.
And you can see, once you get the retainers, the keepers in place there, and then you can just let up. That's it.
Okay, can we see yourself at PSI?
Callum, can we do one more? Can we do one more?
Look at Callum's knuckles.
Can I do one more or not?
I don't know, man.
Okay,
My hand's
unplug
falling
it. Unplug it there. Yeah.
Oh. I'm feeling
My fucking hands are shaking. There we go. Torquing cam caps down to 8.7 FTLB foot-pounds. Click. We'll double check them. Last thing we want to see is a cam go to the moon. We'll recheck that torque when we change the valve cover.
Yeah.
And you get a power coder. So we need to make a custom tool. So to hold the cams, we need this wrench, but the thing is too thick. So we're gonna tool and die it and make it work. Yeah, you can come back to it always. We had one of these, but it's like a 10mm socket, just disappears. So now we got the most rice timing light known to man.